Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to combine multiple words and add the text from these files. And so multiple word files to the existing one or to the new one, just to have the text of multiple files into in one of the files. So just to make it clear, let's open these three files for you to, I will show you how does it look. So as you can see, okay, the first one is here. So file one docs. This is the first file. So that's the content. We can easily distinguish which one is the first. The second, file two, this is the second file. So as you can see, we can easily find what it is. And the third one, this is the third file, file three. Okay, that's what we would like to combine it and have it in the one docs file. So in order to do it, I will open the new file, blank document. Of course, it will work exactly the same in the already existing words, which I will show later on. So how to do it? We put the mouse and click in the proper place. So if you would like to add it in the beginning, so here below this text, or below this text, we need to leave the indicator wherever we want to add it. So let's assume that we want to add it here below the first line. We need to go to the Insert tab and here click on the object on the arrow on the right side. So we need to insert an object and choose text from file. If you click it, you need to go to the location where the files are located. In my case, this is the desktop file. And here there is a list of files. So if you click with a mouse simply once, then you can add the file 1, add 2, file 2, and add file 3. If you would like to add the range of the files, you click on the file number 1, you hold the shift button, and you click, for example, here. So then you will add 3 files. If you would like to add selected files from the list, for example, just 1 and 3, you need to hold the control button and click the ones that you're interested. So one more time, just simple one file with shift button pressed on the keyboard, you can select the range, or with the control key selected individually one by one. So we would like to add this file 1, file 2, and file 3. So I click that and you press insert. As you can see, the content is added. So exactly the content from the first file, the content from the second file, and the content from the third file. So as you can see, it's quite easy and you don't need any specific software. You can do it on your own without any hesitation. So guys, that's all from my side. Please subscribe my channel, like it, comment if you think it's worth and it's let's say the content is an added value. If you have any comments or doubts, please ask me. Bye bye.